Come test drive the 2020 GLA. The Mercedes GLA-Class offers the versatility of a hatchback, but with the power of a sports car. The exterior styling is aggressive and resembles that of other Mercedes models, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, front performance, tires, rear all-season. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.